Hey everyone, if you're having trouble logging into your Brave browser account or syncing your profile, don't worry. In this guide, I'll show you simple fixes to solve Brave login problems quickly. First, make sure your internet connection is stable. A weak or unstable network can stop Brave from signing in properly. Next, double-check your email and password. Yeah, even a small typo can prevent you from logging in successfully. If you can't log in at all, try resetting your password. Sometimes outdated or incorrect credentials are the main issue. Another thing you can try is clearing cache and cookies. Corrupted data can interfere with login sessions. Some extensions can block login pages or authentication scripts. So try disabling them temporarily and log in again. If you're using a VPN or proxy, turn it off. Yeah, these tools can sometimes block authentication requests. Make sure your Brave browser is updated. Outdated versions can cause login and sync errors. If the problem continues, try logging in from another device or browser. This helps identify whether the issue is device-related. If nothing works, uninstall Brave and reinstall the latest version from the official website. This fixes deeper software issues affecting login. Finally, if you're still locked out, contact Brave support for further assistance. They can help recover account access and fix server-related issues. And that's it. One of these methods should help fix Brave browser login problems and get you signed in again. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.